Hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. Today we're taking a closer look at the EcoMax 150 PSI air compressor. This is the EcoMax 6-gallon air compressor. It's their pancake model. And before we start, I'd like to thank the people at Alton Industries for sending me this air compressor. With that said, this is a paid promotion, so let's get on with the review. You may not recognize the name, but I guarantee you've seen their products around. This product is perfect for small workshops, garages, and homeowners who like to do things around the house. With dual ports, you can run two tools at the same time. At a max of 150 PSI, this tool is perfect for most pneumatic tasks. It's lightweight, weighing under 28 pounds. It makes it very portable. At the bottom, there are 3 large feet that keep the vibration and noise down when using the tool. Makes it more stable. This is the purge valve. It's crucial to drain the compressor once you're done using it to get all the air and moisture out of the tank. It'll extend the life of the tank. This compressor is very versatile. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes for it to fill up. But if you're using a high demanding tool like a sander or a grinder that needs constant air, this may not be the right tool for you. But for other projects requiring a nail gun or a blower or something like that, this is the perfect tool for that. Now let's go over some of the pros and cons. Pros: it's compact and affordable. It offers a cold weather start. It has dual ports for using 2 tools at the same time. And it's lightweight and maintenance free. The only con I see with this tool is that if you do need to run a tool constantly, like a sander or a grinder, like I mentioned before, you probably need a bigger tank to do that rather than this. It's never a good idea to leave the pressure in here for a long period of time. So when you're done with the tool for the day, you want to make sure you expel all the air. Turn it off, unplug it, wrap up the cord, reduce the pressure for the tool, take out the hose, and then using this valve, you want to make sure the valve is in the lowest point, open it up slowly, and then let air come out and the moisture will come out behind it too. Who is this compressor for? I would say anyone with a small shop, garage, this is the perfect tool for that. So that's it for today's review of the EcoMax 150 PSI air compressor. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe for more tool reviews and other woodworking tips. Thanks for watching.